yung, well, based sa legal side nito, no? If, let's say, hypothetically, nagkabatuhan and na-impeach siya sa Congress and it's set for transmission sa Senate, is this the point of no return for VP Sara? Meaning, hindi na siya pwede mag-resign because it won't save her from the Senate pursuing a trial regardless of nag-resign siya or hindi. Because pag-uusapan pa rin dito is wala na siya sa office, but the question of perpetual disqualification still hangs in the balance pending a conviction.
That's a good question. No? So let's tackle it step by step. So kung na-impeach na siya and it is transmitted, the articles are transmitted to the Senate, in a way that is a point of no return. In a sense that the trial will continue.
So after the impeachment sa House, no return na yon?
Yes, but in the sense that the trial will continue.
Okay.
Kahit pwede siya mag-resign if she wants to anytime, but that will not stop the trial, the impeachment trial, or it shouldn't stop the impeachment trial kasi na-impeach na siya.
Yes.
Right? So that has to continue kasi when you're impeached, that means there's already evidence that shows that you're unfit for public office, right? Kumbaga meron ng ebidensya na nagsasabi na hindi ka dapat hindi ka dapat public official, no? So the trial should continue kahit nag-resign na siya so that judgment will still be rendered, no? Yung perpetual disqualification. Kasi kung hindi i-render yun, then kumbaga kung titigil yung trial, then an impeached official can still run for office or can still be appointed. And I think the Constitution, although that has happened already, no, sa Manila, di ba, when an impeached official was elected as mayor, and a pardoned plunderer to boot, no? So alam natin na hindi maganda yung kalalabasan kung ganon, right? And I don't think the Constitution contemplated an absurd situation like that na isang impeached official ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon ma-elect or ma-appoint ulit, no? Despite the evidence na hindi nga siya fit for office for public office. So it's a point of no return in the sense na tutuloy-tuloy na yung trial. But certainly she can resign anytime she wants.
Okay. All right. So the million